Hi everyone, let's start. Pre-compose your clip. Be sure to take the same settings as mine. Duplicate your clip with Ctrl D. Click on the Rotobrush tool, then double-click on the top layer. Start by dragging a rough shape around the subject by holding the mouse click. Don't need to be precise at the beginning. Now adjust your Rotobrush by holding Alt to get rid of the unwanted area. For the tiny area, change the brush tool size. Go in the window panel and be sure to select brushes. Change brush size to 3 or 5. Adjust until you're happy with it. Once you're done, go in the window view, be sure to select preview, then hit the play button. After Effects gonna do the job for you. It works well with high contrast area. There are still areas that don't work, so you have to manually adjust it. Then click on play button as we done before. Check each frame until you like it. Once you're done, check if you like it by hitting the toggle transparency button. Then hit the freeze button. Solo your layer and see how it goes. You can now add a background and play with feather, contrast and shift edge settings. What is useful is that you can now adjust the background without changing anything in the subject. Here I'm playing with exposure and blur. To export, add the composition in render queue. As you can see with my settings, we can't export with the RGB+ alpha settings. So go to Format, select QuickTime and be sure that Animation Codec is selected. Now select RGB+ alpha and hit Render. When we import the rendered clip, we can see that transparency is preserved. Job done. That's all for today. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more. If you want more tutorials, tell me in comments. See you soon, guys.